Technology and old world Swiss craftsmanship, Jaeger LeCoultre, masters of the finest timepieces for men and women since 1833. $3,500.
I'd call that swell, and there it is. Line down it goes in the bank, solve the puzzle, it's yours, and here is that next puzzle now.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Coweta County, Fulton County, Douglas County, Cobb County, Cherokee County, Pickens County, and Gilmer County in northwest Georgia until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Meriwether County, or 37 miles southeast of Coweta County, moving north at 16 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a vehicle, or in a mobile home, move to the closest shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Stay tuned to local media for further updates.
$350.
S.
Nope, no S. Okay, Claire.